Session 32 of Unit 3 of Taxation of 5th Semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, we shall study about the computation of firms' total income and tax liability. Learning objectives are to understand the computation of partnership firms' total income and computation of tax liability. Students must be able to compute the firm's total income and tax liability. The contents of this session are adjustment of profit and loss account, charge of tax, and marginal relief. In the previous session, we have studied computation of firm's income, explanation to section 40B, and computation of book profit. Adjustment of profit and loss account. If a profit and loss account is given for the purpose of computing the total income of the firm, the profit or loss as per profit and loss account shall be adjusted in the same manner as is done in the computation of income under the head profits and gains of business or profession. The income of the firm from sources other than business is added up in the income from business computed as aforesaid, and the resultant amount is the gross total income of the firm. From the gross total income, deductions permissible under section 80C to 80U shall be deducted, and the balance shall be the total income of the firm. Only the following sections, that is 80G to 80JJA, are permissible in case of partnership firm. The deductions under the aforesaid sections will not be allowed against short-term capital gains and long-term capital gains. Charge of tax. For the assessment year 2020-21, income tax will be levied at the following rates. Short-term capital gains, in case of securities it is 15%, long-term capital gains 10% or 20% under section 112, long-term capital gains under section 112A is 10%, winnings from lotteries, card games, crossword puzzles, horse race is 30%, and other incomes is 30%. Surcharge. Surcharge is the additional charge. It is 12% if the total income exceeds 1 crore rupees. Health and education cess is 4% on the amount of income tax and surcharge. Marginal relief. Where total income exceeds 1 crore rupees, the total amount payable as income tax and surcharge on such income shall not exceed the total amount payable as income tax on a total income of 1 crore rupees by more than the amount of income that exceeds 1 crore rupees. Alternate minimum tax. A firm may be liable to pay alternate minimum tax. Alternate minimum tax is a minimum tax that is leviable alternative to normal tax. Rate of alternate minimum tax is 18.5% plus applicable surcharge and cess. Alternate minimum tax is a tax levied on adjusted total income in a financial year wherein tax on normal income is lower than AMT on adjusted total income. So, irrespective of normal tax, alternate minimum tax has to be paid by taxpayers to whom AMT provisions apply. References. These are the MCQs pertaining to this session. What is the surcharge if total income exceeds 1 crore rupees? And the answer is 12%. Tax rate on partnership firm. It is 30%. Deductions under Section 80 will not be allowed against short-term capital gains and long-term capital gains in case of partnership firm. This is true. The provisions of AMT, alternate minimum tax, are applicable in case of an individual, HUF, association of persons, body of individual, artificial juridical person, if adjusted total income exceeds rupees 20 lakh. Rate of alternate minimum tax is 18.5%. So these are the answers for the MCQ.